Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the flower technique. It's just a pretty simple move once you get it. Oh, and by the way, see this piece right here? That part's blue. Since I've been playing with this for a while, this sort of weared off. So if you ever see that piece during this, remember that's a blue. And if you get confused by this, just leave a comment below and I'll help you out with that. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to do this. Now you want to learn how to do it. This part is pretty simple at the beginning, but as you keep going, it might get a little hard. So the first thing I want to do is pick a side. Let's see, I'll pick orange. You're going to want to turn the left and right sides up. Then you're going to want to go to where you turned it up. So you turned it up and go to that part. And now you're going to want to turn face right and go up, go to that face right. Up, go to that face right. Up, go to that face right. And then look at that. You have it solved. But the hard part is getting it back. So now you're going to want to pick a side. Let's take orange. Now, the surrounding border is different from the middle. That's how it's supposed to be. The surrounding border should be the same as the thing below. If it's not, just keep turning it until you get the right one below. Because if you turn it right, this is how it should look. But let's say you turn it the wrong way, it doesn't look right. So find the same one below. You go. Now you're going to want to mirror what you just did. You're going to want down, go to that face, and go left. Alright, now this is the next hard part. If the edge pieces go down and have the same line, then you know that's correct. If it's not, go back to that face and find the one with the edge pieces that match up. These do not match up, so they wouldn't work. So you're going to want to go down, turn it left, down, turn it left, down. Just like that. And after a few days, you'll have this mastered. So you should try this. You're going to do it behind your back. So if you have any problems with this technique, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you on it and probably help you. The next step is coming up in a couple of days. Not right now, but in a couple of days. So, yeah. Here's your sneak peek.